In Tuplo Studio, you can create and manage promo codes. To begin, select the Promos tab in the Navigator window, then choose More Options, New Promo, or use Command N. First, define the promo code that customers will enter at checkout. Next, add a title and a brief description. You can set the discount as a percentage or flat amount, apply it to either the least or most expensive product in the order, and determine whether the promo is valid in-store, online, or both. The template checkbox lets you apply advanced template rules to the promo, which we cover in a later video. Activating the active checkbox enables the promo. Inactive promos won't apply when their code is entered. Next are the required minimum order and limit overall use fields. The required minimum order ensures the promo applies only to orders that meet a specific dollar amount, while the limit overall use field restricts how many times the promo can be applied, such as for the first 200 customers. Use the begins and/or expires fields to schedule when the promo starts and ends. Click the plus icon to add a new rule. This lets you focus the promo on selected brands, products, categories, or themes. Use the exclude box to restrict the promo from being applied to the selected option. After adding a rule, you can refine the promotion by setting required qualifying items, limit how many times the discount can apply to a single order, or applying the discount based on the manufacturer's suggested retail price. If needed, set email restrictions to target specific customers, like those receiving a discount due to product or shipping issues. Finally, as you build your promo, Tuplo Studio generates an auto description to ensure consistent wording between all your promos. You can copy and paste this into the detail field. Otherwise, click Save to finish creating your new promo. Once saved, if you provided your own detailed description, you can toggle between it and the auto-generated description by clicking this icon. You can edit the promo anytime by selecting it and clicking the Edit button. If you need to delete a promo, select More Options, Delete Promo, or use Command Delete and confirm. Following these steps, you can create targeted promo codes in Tuplo Studio.